Well, as you can see, the motor works. She doesn't run that quickly. She should be doing faster than that. It's getting a little hot, but as you can see, it's clearly working. And okay, so I resurrected this old motor from the 1970s. It's not perfect. I'm going to shut it off. It's a little too hot. I mean, something about it's not perfect. Maybe the brushes are just a little bit, too tight. Maybe there's some pressure, but it does work. But it doesn't really work great. It's almost like it wants a jump start. So that's probably something with the brushes. The real moral of the story is, again, if it's not broken, don't fix it. I shouldn't have taken it apart as a kid, and it was really a good motor, so that was a shame. Anyway, you come to really appreciate what engineers can come up with in the technology, but if you don't really have the proper tools to manufacture and recreate what was inside something, you really take a risk. There's some great model railroaders on YouTube who do incredible things. They take locomotives apart down to the tiniest bits possible, everything, and clean them and put it back together. They are wonderful at it. They do all kinds of wonderful things. But if you don't have that skill set, don't try to emulate them. You can watch Superman fly, doesn't mean you can. But it's always good to learn. But don't wreck your stuff by taking it apart. That's the lesson I learned as a kid. So trying to fix that mistake now is not easy. Anyway, hope you enjoyed. Bye for now.